na kanisa.
Riri nirio rita ria kere uria urari munini wa president kuonekana muingine thutha wa Professor KITHURE Kindiki kuiyuria ithenya riake ndumiriri-ini yake muthenya wa umuthi Rigathi Gachagua agithema gutindirira morito make ma kiuteti ari igongona-ini ria MATHIKO kaunti-ini ya KIAMBU. Gachagua nioritie muingi kuma gicigo kia Mount Kenya ndugatangike ngoro akimoria mathie na mbere na gukira ki.
Our community is very unique and many people are shocked. We expected people to go to the streets, lighting bonfires, destroying the vehicles, shouting. No, that is not who we are. These people don't know us well. Mokiraki na mutikarie.
Hamwe noguo Gachagua no waikitie ritana kuri atongoria a makanitha akimahinjiriria kurugama na uma na kihoto riria thirikari yathie mugaru na wendi wa muingi.
The church must remain the conscience of the state, of the nation, continue talking the truth, continue telling the congregation the way things are.
Atongoria aria angi mauma igongona-ini riri ni hamwe na uria wari governor wa Nairobi Mike Sonko uria ugite kioneki kia Gachagua gia gukarugama githurano-ini kia mwaka wa 2027 gitire kirathinikana kuona cira wake wa kuhagurwo uria igoti-ini.
Kesi yako iko High Court of Kenya. Bado inaendelea kusikizwa. Wakikutupa nje bado utaenda appeal, Court of Appeal. Hiyo ni miaka ingine 3. Wakikutupa nje bado utaenda Supreme Court. Hiyo ni miaka ingine 5. 2027 itakupata hapo. Kwa hivyo utakuwa kwa ballot, usidanganywe na mtu yote ule.
Ihinda-ini o riu utongoria wa ngwataniro ya gema nitugiritie President William Ruto ni kwamura Professor KITHURE Kindiki ta munini wake makimenereria uteti wa kugeria kugayukania icigo cia Mount Kenya East na Mount Kenya West.
Kumwira thank you na kumucokeria ngatho ni ku appoint umwe witu wa ciana ngenda kuringiriria andu aitu haria mari wayukia horo cio na mathie on. We have a long way to go.
We want to thank you, Your Excellency, for trying your best to put our country together.
Riria ndereti ya kuhagura Gachagua yakiririe ngwataniro eno ni yareganire na kuhagurwo gwake riu makiuria atongoria matikagererie Gachagua morito makiria no na gukiri uguo no manyitiriire gicigo kia Mount Kenya itienyenyetio.
Tugenda ucio reherire mutigatũrie ka tura support aga impeachment. Impeachment is not a good thing, so ti undu tungi support no gugiuka tutiri na wa kuga. You are appointed under the constitution and you serve under the will of the president. Na tugacoka tukoiga ona Rigathi Gachagua gigithiaga niagiriire kuheo ihinda.
He may not have done it well, but please, and we plead with you, remember his family and remember him so that he doesn't feel so lonely.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.